Let's talk about our next lesson. Do you want your YouTube channel to stand out and instantly grab attention? Today, we're diving into the art of creating eye-catching channel art that captivates viewers from the moment they land on your page. But here's the twist. Most creators miss one crucial detail that can make all the difference. Curious to know what it is? Let's get started. Your channel art is the first thing visitors see when they visit your YouTube channel. It's like the cover of a book. It needs to be inviting and give a clear idea of what your channel is all about. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create compelling channel art that passes the glance test and draws viewers in. Let's start with 3 key principles for creating great channel art. 1. Pass the glance test. Your channel art should make sense at a glance. Viewers should immediately understand what your channel is about. 2. Avoid excessive text. Too much text can be overwhelming and distract from the visual impact. Keep it simple and clear. 3. Test on mobile. Most viewers will see your channel art on mobile devices, so make sure it looks good on smaller screens. Here's the twist. Many creators make the mistake of overcrowding their channel art with too much text or unnecessary details. This can confuse viewers and make your channel look unprofessional. Another common mistake is not optimizing the art for mobile, which can lead to important details being cut off or too small to read. We'll reveal that crucial detail that can make or break your channel art in just a moment. But first, let's look at some examples of great channel art and why they work so well. Let's analyze some examples of effective channel art. Notice how these examples are simple, visually appealing, and communicate the channel's value proposition clearly. This channel art uses bold colors and a clean design with minimal text. It clearly shows the channel's focus on tech reviews and tips. Here, the channel art features a bright, engaging image related to the content, with a concise tagline that highlights the channel's niche, healthy cooking recipes. This example uses a dynamic background, with the channel name prominently displayed and a brief, catchy slogan that captures the essence of the channel's content: DIY home improvement projects. Now let's create your eye-catching channel art step by step. Step 1. Choose your visuals narrator. Start by selecting visuals that represent your channel's content. These could be images, icons, or illustrations that align with your channel's theme. Take a moment to brainstorm and jot down some visual elements that best represent your channel. Step 2. Keep it simple. Less is more. Choose a clean, uncluttered design. Focus on 1 or 2 key visuals and keep the background simple to ensure your channel art looks professional. Sketch a rough layout of your channel art, focusing on simplicity and clarity. Step 3. Add text sparingly. Include your channel name and a brief tagline that encapsulates your value proposition. Make sure the text is easy to read and doesn't overwhelm the visuals. Write down your channel name and a concise, engaging tagline. Test different fonts and sizes to find what looks best. Step 4. Optimize for mobile. Test your channel art on mobile devices to ensure it looks good on smaller screens. Adjust any elements that might be too small or cut off. Preview your channel art on different devices and make any necessary adjustments. Remember that crucial detail we mentioned? Here it is. Consistency. Your channel art should be consistent with your overall branding. Colors, fonts, and style should align with your thumbnails, video intros, and other channel elements. This creates a cohesive and professional look that builds your brand identity. Congratulations! You now know how to create eye-catching channel art that captivates viewers and represents your brand. Remember to keep it simple, clear, and consistent with your overall branding. Your channel art is your first impression. Make it count. In our next lesson, we'll dive into creating an engaging channel trailer that hooks new viewers and converts them into subscribers. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to SmartNTricky, and ring the bell icon to get notified about our next lesson. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.